I'm Andrew and I teach. I teach English and linguistics. As an English teacher with years of experience, I specialise in academic English, business English, and IELTS preparation. As for linguistics, tell me in advance what you need to discuss or learn about, and I would be happy to help. Remember, subscribe, it's free and it costs you nothing. Hit the like button too. Have you done it? Thank you. Also, thanks to all the new subscribers. So this video has some great vocabulary throughout. It works well within the series of videos which I have been developing lately. When I studied my teacher training course in the UK, Maslow was an interesting module. I have also delivered various workshops relating to this in various business and education settings. I hope you find it useful. Understanding human motivations and what drives individuals to reach their potential has long been an interesting subject in the field of psychology. In the mid-20th century, influential psychologist Abraham Maslow introduced a groundbreaking theory known as Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This theory depicts a hierarchy of human needs, emphasizing the progression from basic physiological needs to higher level aspirations and self-actualization. This comprehensive video delves into Maslow's hierarchy of needs, examining each level and exploring their significance in our lives. We shall also examine how to apply the hierarchy in the workplace. So, physiological needs. Underlying Maslow's hierarchy of physiological needs, the most basic requirements for human survival. This includes necessities such as air, water, food, shelter, sleep, and clothing. Some have even said that internet access should be included here. Well, when these basic needs are not met, individuals focus solely on meeting their own desires, leaving little room for higher goals. Therefore, it's important to ensure that these requirements are met in order for the individual to be promoted further up the hierarchy. Security needs. People naturally tend to respond to security needs when their physiological needs are met. Security needs include personal safety, financial security, access to healthcare, a stable environment, and protection from physical and emotional harm. Meeting these needs promotes a sense of stability, reduces anxiety, and allows you to focus your attention on higher level needs. Love and belonging needs. As social beings, humans have an innate desire for love, affection, and belonging. This third level hierarchy includes the need for friendship, intimacy, family, and social connection. Satisfying these needs fosters a sense of acceptance and belonging within the community, building deeper relationships, and satisfies a longing for camaraderie and emotional support. Gratitude needs. So the fourth level of Maslow's hierarchy focuses on self-esteem needs and falls into two categories: self-esteem and respect for others. Self-esteem, it refers to your inner sense of self-esteem, confidence, and competence. External recognition refers to recognition, respect, and admiration from others. Meeting these needs leads to strong self-esteem and self-confidence, enabling individuals to follow meaningful pursuits and personal growth. Self-actualization needs. At the top of Maslow's hierarchy is self-actualization, the highest level of human motivation. Self-actualization includes reaching one's full potential, striving for personal growth, and achieving personal goals. It's characterized by a unique expression of talent, creativity, and a deep sense of accomplishment. Driven by the desire to be the best version of themselves, people at this stage actively pursue self-development, engage in meaningful work, and strive for continuous improvement. Okay, networking and flexibility. An important aspect of Maslow's hierarchy of needs is the interconnectedness and interdependence of each level. Hierarchies are usually represented as pyramids, but it's important to note that need fulfillment is not necessarily linear. Individuals may move between levels and have needs in different areas at the same time. In addition, the importance and emphasis given to each level may vary according to culture, people, and personal circumstances. Criticisms and limitations. Maslow's hierarchy of needs has contributed greatly to our understanding of human motivation, but it's not without criticism and limitations. Some argue that this theory is an oversimplification, as individuals may prioritize different needs based on their cultural background, personality, and life experience. In addition, hierarchies assume that lower level needs must be satisfied before higher level needs are related, which is not always the case. Applications and impact. Maslow's hierarchy of needs has been widely applied in many fields, including psychology, education, marketing, and management. Understanding basic human needs and motivations helps educators build supportive learning environments, marketers design effective advertising campaigns, and managers develop strategies for engaging employees. So how do we apply this framework in the workplace? Well, Maslow's hierarchy of needs, a well-known psychological framework, provides valuable insights into human motivation and fulfillment. The hierarchical model, consisting of physiological safety, love and belongingness, esteem, and self-actualization, is not only applicable to personal development, but also holds great significance in the workplace. In this part of the video, we will explore how Maslow's hierarchy of needs can be effectively applied in the workplace to enhance employee engagement, satisfaction, and overall organizational success. Addressing physiological needs. The first step in applying Maslow's hierarchy of needs in the workplace is ensuring that employees' physiological needs are met. This includes providing a safe and comfortable work environment, fair compensation, access to healthy meals, and adequate rest. By addressing these fundamental needs, organizations can help employees feel secure and focused, enabling them to direct their energy towards their work responsibilities. Establishing safety and security. Creating a work environment that promotes safety and security is crucial for employee well-being and productivity. Organizations should prioritize measures such as implementing safety protocols, offering training programs, and providing job security. By fostering a sense of stability, employees can feel confident in their positions and focus on their professional growth and development. Nurturing belongingness and social connections. Humans have an innate need for social connections and a sense of belonging. In the workplace, organizations can facilitate the fulfillment of these needs by encouraging teamwork, promoting positive relationships among colleagues, and fostering a supportive work culture. Encouraging open communication, team building activities, and recognition programs can help create a sense of camaraderie and belongingness, enhancing employee engagement and job satisfaction. Cultivating esteem and recognition. Recognition and esteem play a vital role in employee motivation and self-esteem. Organizations should provide employees opportunities for employees to receive feedback, recognition, and praise for their accomplishments and contributions. This can be achieved through performance evaluations, employee appreciation programs, and career development opportunities. By acknowledging employees' achievements and fostering a culture of appreciation, organizations empower individuals to develop a positive self-image and a sense of accomplishment. Encouraging self-actualization. Self-actualization, the highest level of Maslow's hierarchy, represents an individual's pursuit of personal growth, fulfillment, and reaching their full potential. Organizations can support employees in their journey towards self-actualization by offering professional development programs, mentoring initiatives, and challenging assignments that allow employees to utilize their skills and talents to the fullest extent. Providing opportunities for creativity, autonomy, and innovation can also foster a sense of purpose and fulfillment among employees. Interconnectedness and flexibility. It's important to recognize that the fulfillment of needs in the workplace is not strictly linear, and individuals may have simultaneous needs in different domains. Moreover, the importance placed on each level may vary among employees, highlighting the significance of individual differences and personal aspirations. Benefits and implications. Applying Maslow's hierarchy of needs in the workplace yields several benefits. Engaged and fulfilled employees tend to be more productive, innovative, and committed to organizational goals. By fostering a work environment that addresses employees' needs across various levels, organizations can cultivate a positive workplace culture, improve employee satisfaction and retention, and ultimately enhance overall organizational performance. The conclusion. Maslow's hierarchy of needs provides a valuable framework for understanding employee motivation and fulfillment in the workplace. By addressing and supporting employees' physiological, safety, social, esteem, and self-actualization needs, organizations can create an environment that promotes engagement, satisfaction, and professional growth. By embracing the principles of Maslow's hierarchy, organizations can unlock the full potential of their workforce and cultivate a thriving and successful workplace. I'd like to develop this into a learning community. Subscribers and commenters are critical for this, so please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, or just give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like me to dive deeper into any of the ideas presented in this video, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, check out my webpage for high quality English classes. Alternatively, share this video on social media. If you found this video useful, you can always buy me a coffee and the link is below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.